Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to backup contacts to Google Drive on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, backing up your contacts ensures that your valuable contact information is securely stored in the cloud, protecting it from accidental deletion, device loss, or hardware failure. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, open the Contacts app on your device. Once there, navigate to the settings icon and tap on it. Okay, after that, select the import or export contact option and click on the export contacts menu. Here, you will need to choose the option to export to a VCF file format and then click save. Okay, moving on to the next step, launch the Google Drive app on your device. Within the app, tap on the New button to initiate the backup process for your contacts. And then select the Upload option and choose the document containing your contacts. Finally, click on the specific file you exported earlier. Now patiently wait for the process to complete, ensuring that your contacts are securely backed up to your Google Drive account. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to back up contacts to Google Drive on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.